could you give some advice to somebody who's watching this right now? Let's say maybe they're kind of like they're a little frustrated. They're trying to figure things out, but not going your way. Like you remember those days. Can you give some advice to those people?
Well, A, not spend money where they have deficiencies,
What do you mean
because,
by that?
well, I just feel like people don't necessarily like take it as seriously as I think that they should. Like if you really suck at making a cover, just pay a professional designer to make your cover. Like if you don't think it's worth $30, then you don't really have much confidence that book's going to make any money, right? I mean, I might be sounding a little bit harsh, but I'm just saying treat it like a business, I guess, is maybe a nicer way to say it. It's take it a little more, back to the dumpster diver versus the professionals is going to buy the shipping supplies, put the
Yeah,
stuff in it. And the actual professional is just not going to ship at all. They're just going to source.
love it. I love
So
that.
the less that you're doing, the more, like the mentor guy, he makes $1 million gross a year in his business because he has automated everything to the nines, and he's just really good at finding stuff to sell. So he focuses on the one thing that actually drives the business. Everything else is somebody else is doing.